Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In this additional of the Tuesday edition. Yes, it's the Tuesday edition, October the 19th, 2021. And today is actually Friday, October the 22nd, 2021. But today we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to continue with the edition of Tuesday. The Wednesday edition is already solved. So now it's time for the binary puzzle. And number 2. This one will be number 3575. Yeah, 3575. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. A double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Ooh. Let me see. I cannot place. We have here 3 O's. I cannot place number 4 here. Otherwise, we have 4 ones in a row in this column. 4 ones in a row in this column. Yeah, not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one. Oh, here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes, need to compare. Let me see that I cannot compare this row. 1001. Do we have a 1001 here? This is not the same. I need to compare the columns, I believe. Do we have a double one here? Yeah, this column and the second column. The last column and this column. Empty box. 11 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 boxes, these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle in this Tuesday edition of the Tuesday edition. So see you later. Bye bye for now.